Everyone. As most of you know, Instagram has updated their application recently where for some reason sharing posts on Instagram is a little bit more difficult now. You can see that I am up to date on Instagram, at least via the iPhone. And here's the thing with this new update, it is a little bit more difficult to share. The big thing to keep in mind is that in order to share somebody's post on Instagram, you have to make sure that they are on a public account. If they don't have a public account, so if they're private, you will not be able to share their post via, your story. So that's a big thing to keep in mind. If the person you're trying to share the post from is a private person, they don't have a public account, you won't be able to put their specific story on your story or their specific, post on your story. So that's a big thing to keep in mind. Now, in this case, I am a public account, right? So I can go ahead and if I wanted to share my own post, so reshare my own post on Instagram, all I would have to do is find the post that I want. You'll see three little, dots down here. You'll see the like button, the comment button, and this sending button, right? So you can click on the sending button and you'll see a couple different things that come up, people you follow, whatever. But you'll also see this add post to your story. So all you would have to do is click on add post to your story and you will come straight into this little option. So all you have to do now is go ahead and post this as you normally would, and you'd be able to share this post via your story. Now let's say you don't see that option. Let's say you see add post to story is missing. So if this add to post to story is missing, then that means the person you're trying to share the story of or the post of is not a public person. So it doesn't matter what you do, you cannot share their story via your post. So another example is with like Kim Kardashian. She's a very popular person. I'm sure most of you know by now. If I click on her first photo, I can do the same thing. I can click on the sending icon and you can see add post to your story is available. So all I'd have to do is click add post to your story and the same thing would happen. It would eventually come up here and I'd pretty much be good to go. Now, for some reason that doesn't work and you're still not seeing anything available, the next thing you can do, and this kind of sucks, but it's the only other thing you can do, is if this person is actually like, a private person, they want you to share their story anyway, well, you can screenshot the specific image, you can make your way over to the main page, scroll over to the side to make a story. So you can make a story by going here. You can click this little create button. So you can go and click create right there and you'll be able to essentially copy and paste that image that you just took straight into here. So you can pretty much just click here, add this specific story here if you'd like. So just like something like this. I know it doesn't look that great. You can also tag that specific person by going over here, clicking at, you can type in Kim Kardashian and you can tag Kim Kardashian like this and post it right underneath here. And that's the next thing you can do. I mean, it's definitely not as great as the original share post, but that's the other alternative that you pretty much have. So those are pretty much two different ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.